Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, features, and insights on automobiles from around the globe. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Hiace Computer School Bus, a modern take on one of Toyota's most practical and dependable vehicles, now enhanced for educational and tech-forward environments. The 2026 Toyota Hiace Computer School Bus is a specialized variant of the well-known Hiace van, adapted with precision for school and institutional transportation. Toyota has given this model a futuristic edge by integrating computer systems designed to assist with learning and connectivity on the move. This makes the Hiace not just a vehicle, but a mobile tech hub for students and instructors alike. It comes as a response to the growing demand for digital education tools and mobile learning platforms. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace is expected to carry forward Toyota's reputation for performance and efficiency. It features a refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that provides a strong mix of power and fuel economy, making it suitable for both urban commutes and longer intercity routes. For markets that are leaning more towards sustainable options, Toyota also offers a hybrid variant that balances performance with eco-friendliness. The hybrid model is especially beneficial for schools that are aiming to reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining reliable transportation for students. The bus's exterior design retains the familiar Hiace silhouette, but with enhancements that signal its upgraded role. The large windows allow for excellent visibility, while LED headlights and improved aerodynamics give it a modern look. It's built with safety and functionality in mind, equipped with sliding doors for easy entry and exit, especially in crowded school zones. Inside is where the real transformation becomes evident. The cabin of the 2026 Toyota Hiace Computer School Bus is a tech-forward space. It comes outfitted with rows of individual tablet or laptop stations, integrated Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB charging ports, and even a centralized media server for content sharing during the ride. The seats are ergonomic and designed for comfort over longer journeys, ensuring that students remain focused and relaxed. On the safety front, Toyota has made sure this Hiace variant meets all necessary standards for school transport. It features multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and Toyota Safety Sense features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies not only protect passengers but also support the driver in managing the vehicle more confidently in various conditions. The Hiace Computer School Bus also boasts a smart climate control system to ensure that the interior remains comfortable across seasons. Furthermore, the onboard software allows real-time GPS tracking, route optimization, and remote diagnostics, giving school administrators more control and oversight of their fleet operations. In terms of storage and configuration, the Hiace is available in different seating layouts, ranging from 14 to 22 seats, depending on the market and customization needs. Storage compartments have been cleverly integrated to accommodate bags, books, and other educational materials without crowding the main cabin area. This smart design allows the vehicle to function both as a transportation tool and a learning environment. Maintenance for the 2026 Hiace Computer School Bus remains affordable and straightforward, with Toyota's global service network providing extensive support. Parts are readily available, and the vehicle's build quality ensures durability and long service life, even under daily school operations. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Hiace Computer School Bus is a smart, efficient, and tech-driven solution for modern education transport needs. It combines Toyota's proven reliability with cutting-edge educational tools, ensuring a safe, connected, and forward-looking ride for students and staff alike. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Auto Pulse Media for more videos like this.